Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work, and today we're going to take a look at a random case for your Apple Watch Ultra. I picked it up just for a little bit of protection. So let's start the video, show you what I'm talking about. Pow. Alright guys, so here we're going to take a look at a simple case that I saw on Amazon. This is a matte case for your Apple Watch Ultra. I did have a couple of people in my last comment saying, why should I get a case for it? Well, if you guys didn't know, there is a whole bunch of videos about titanium frames and how they actually chip. So I actually wanted to get a case for it because I do sometimes go outside. Sometimes I like to work outside and all that stuff. So I just wanted a little bit of protection, especially for the price. So I went on Amazon and I picked this up for $11.55. Bring this down right here. This is the listing. I will have a link down below if you guys want to check this out. It actually comes with 2 screen protectors and it has the 2 matte hard bumper cases. So it does have the casing for the actual bezel itself, but it doesn't have the built-in screen protector like I had in my last video. This is not like this. This is what I was actually looking for, but I actually ended up with this. The case company is called Smiling. You guys could pause this and read it for yourself. You definitely can. So let's just unbox this baby and see what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. Just a matte casing for your Apple Watch. I actually wanted to have a darker color anyways because it only comes with one color when it comes to the Apple Watch, and it comes with a little tempered glass screen protector. So that's gonna make a real good video. Maybe I should do that video right now. But as far as the casing, it does actually come with 2. So you have a backup one in case the other one breaks, and you have 2 tempered glass screen protectors for your watch. But this is the main show. This is the Apple Watch Ultra. This is exactly what I wanted to do. So if you guys want to install it, you just got to find the locations of where everything is. I would go with the crown and just fit in like so and just snap it in. This is what it looks like. It does actually show a little bit of that silver bezel all the way around there. So you guys let me know what you guys think about that. It just adds a little bit of protection, especially if you work outside, or if you work in construction, or if you are actually being active. You guys let me know what you guys think about it, how it looks on the wrist. And if you want to install the tempered glass screen protector, you could do that as well. You could actually do that if you want to, but as far as the actual unboxing, that's what it comes with. Let's see what else. I think you might have a microfiber. Well, you actually have the setup of how to install the tempered glass. So you have your dust sticker and you have your cleaning wipe and your wet cleaning wipe and your dry cleaning wipe, so you can clean off the excess. I wonder if I could put on that tempered glass with the case on. Let's just pop it off. You know what? I'm just gonna do it like this because I've never really done a tempered glass one, so this will be interesting here. So let's try to, I was about to zoom in, but let's leave it like that. So you take your wet cleaning wipe, wipe down the screen just like so, and just make sure that you get all the dust if you can. I know a lot of people in the comments will say that I should have took the case off, but just for the fact that you can't really adjust that casing position, this is probably the best option, to be honest. All right, and I am doing this from behind the camera, so that does not help at all. All right, so we just cleaned it off. Then you get your dust sticker, basically like that. You just go right here, because I remember when I had the Series 7, I had a scratch on the first week. It was heartbreaking. All right, so it looks good. and just try to eyeball it from each angle just to see if it has any dust or anything like that. So that looks good. Just peel off your tempered glass screen protector, try to fit it on. Just gonna have to wing it, make sure it looks like it's a nice fit there, and just try to position it at a perfect angle. If it doesn't fit, then you could probably slowly take it off. There you go. Perfect. There you go. Perfect installation. And if you have any bubbles, you could just use your finger all the way around. But as you can see, it looks really good. Let's put in my password. Stand by. All right, so let's check that out. No problem when it comes to screen sensitivity. Really good. All right, guys. So if you guys like this video, hit it with a thumbs up. The link is down below if you guys want to pick it up. If you guys like this video, hit it with a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And follow Phone Tech at Work for more videos like this of the Apple Watch Ultra and more tech to come. Now, I didn't think that tempered glass would actually be that good, so I'm very happy with my purchase. The link is down below, by the way. Looks really good, to be honest.